Hang on. You ready with the cameras? Okay. Okay, now before they get sweaty, we'll take some pictures. अच्छा बना है क्या बात है good one Afan shot good shot रखा ले Khaled mispass नहीं करना This way. It should come in picture. But here. Yeah. All right, please come closer, ladies. Mr. Nawaz. Close. Not in the back. Come closer. Come in the front. Hello, sir. You should be here. Everybody in, and the coach of and our referee today, please come. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a very good evening to all of you. I welcome you all to ZSC Events Goa. The team Goa, our branch office from Goa is organizing matches all over the world. And this is the first match in Hyderabad. So can we have a round of applause, please? Okay, now I'm really happy, first of all, to introduce you to our chief guest. Please come. Mr. Darren Windsor has flown yesterday from United Kingdom. He's the CEO of London Training Services and he's the chief guest for our event. Can we have a round of applause for him, please? We also have someone very close to my heart, a very nice person. He's the CEO of Nawaz Fitness Pro. He runs about 5 fitness centers. And twice Mr. India. Give a round of applause to Mr. Nawaz. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are really honored to have our chief guest, Mr. Darren Windsor. He is the CEO of London Training Services, also principal of a college, a well-known personality into the academics world. And he's known for all his contribution and his talks on finance. But we are really privileged to have him here today on an audition match between Team India and Team International. I think he will explain more and also about the opportunities for young people to study in the Institute and UK. So I'll leave it with him.
Hi, welcome. And thank you very much, Zia, for having me here. So, as Zia was saying, behind me we're going to play a soccer match. In Australia we call it soccer, you would call it football. Match between an Indian team and an international team. The international team, I think, is primarily from Afghanistan, so good on them. Anyway, what I would like to do is to give you some information about work, about study in the UK and what we can do about studying UK courses in India. One of the things which my company is doing is we're bringing UK courses across the world. We're currently running courses in Africa, in China, and we want to do the same thing in India, where you can get a British degree without ever leaving Hyderabad, without ever leaving India. So at a portion of the cost, so that all the skills that you would learn in the UK, you would learn over here as well.
Okay.